السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولولا فضل الله عليك ورحمته لهمت طائفة منهم أن يضلوك وما يضلون إلا أنفسهم وما يضرونك من شيء وأنزل الله عليك الكتاب والحكمة وعلمك ما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك عظيما. لا خير في كثير من نجواهم إلا من أمر بصدقة أو معروف أو إصلاح بين الناس ومن يفعل ذلك ابتغاء مرضات الله فسوف نؤتيه أجرا عظيما. ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا. إن الله لا يغفر أن يشرك به ويغفر ما دون ذلك لمن يشاء ومن يشرك بالله فقد ضل ضلالا بعيدا. إن يدعون من دونه إلا إناثا وإن يدعون إلا شيطانا مريدا لعنه الله وقال لأتخذن من عبادك نصيبا مفروضا ولأضلنهم ولأمنينهم ولآمرنهم فليبتكن آذان الأنعام ولآمرنهم فليغيرن خلق الله ومن يتخذ الشيطان وليا من دون الله فقد خسر خسرانا مبينا. يعدهم ويمنيهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا. أولئك مأواهم جهنم ولا يجدون عنها محيصا. Translation. And but for the grace of Allah upon thee and His mercy, a party of them had resolved to bring about thy ruin, and they ruin none but themselves, and they cannot harm thee at all. And Allah has sent down to thee the book and wisdom, and has taught thee what thou knewest not. And great is Allah's grace on thee. There is no good in many of their conferences, except the conferences of such as enjoin charity, or goodness, or the making of peace among men. And whoso does that, seeking the pleasure of Allah, we shall soon bestow on him a great reward. And as to him who opposes the messenger, after guidance has come clear to him, and follows a way other than that of the believers, we shall let him pursue the way he is pursuing, and shall cast him into hell, and an evil destination it is. Allah shall not forgive that anything be associated with him as partner, but he will forgive that what is short of that to whomsoever he pleases. And whoso associates anything with Allah has indeed strayed far away. They invoke beside him none but lifeless objects, and they invoke none but Satan, the rebellious, whom Allah has cursed. And he said, I will surely take a fixed portion from thy servants, and assuredly I will lead them astray, and assuredly and I will excite in them vain desires, and assuredly I will incite them, and they will cut the hairs of cattle, and assuredly I will incite them, and they will alter Allah's creation. And he who takes Satan for a friend beside Allah has certainly suffered a manifest loss. He holds out promises to them and raises vain desires in them, and Satan promises them nothing but vain things. These are those whose abode shall be hell, and they shall find no way of escape from it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.